You won't win on willpower. You'll win on design. There's a story behind that. This is your daily message from Chad number 1165 to upgrade your mental game today by telling yourself a better story, because the most important story you hear is the story you tell yourself. This message is dedicated to Alexander Johnson. Here's the upgrade. You think the answer is to want it more. Upgraded thinking builds a machine so the wrong thing is simply hard to do and impossible to hide. Here's the story. Before the cash register, John Henry Patterson owned a little store in Dayton, Ohio. His employees were stealing him blind. He worked hard, sold plenty, and never made a dime. The money walked out the back door and he couldn't even see it happen. Then somebody sold him a couple of these new machines that recorded every sale and locked up the cash. His store went to profit immediately, not because his people suddenly became saints, because stealing got hard. And more than that, the leak became visible. Patterson was so struck by it that he closed the store and went into the cash register business. He built the mighty National Cash Register Company in 1884, and more than 140 years later, it's still going. Charlie Munger called Patterson a talented fanatic and said cash registers were, quote, a godsend to retailing, end quote. The people who invent things that make dishonest behavior hard to do are some of the quiet saints of civilization. Bad behavior, once rewarded, is intensely habit-forming. The cash register didn't lecture anyone. It just made the wrong thing hard. Paul Battledon said every system is perfectly designed to get the results it gets. The results you keep hating isn't a verdict on your character. It's a readout of your design. Ouch! Chad, are you saying I'm designing my own problems? Yep. You don't have a willpower problem. You have a system working exactly as it was built to work. You keep trying to white-knuckle your way to the behavior you want. More willpower, more discipline, more promising yourself that tomorrow you'll be stronger, and you lose over and over because you have a system in place that is working against you. So stop relying on the sermon. Build the cash register. If you don't want to eat it, don't buy it. Make the fridge and pantry your friend, not your enemy. If the phone eats your mornings, leave it in the other room. If you overspend, put a wall between you and the money. Don't out-argue the temptation. Engineer it out of reach. You only need willpower once, not 1,000 times a day fighting the urge, but one time to build the system. Spend it on the architecture, not the resistance. Show me the incentive and I'll show you the outcome. Quit trying to be strong inside a system built to make you weak. Go build a better system instead. The better story to tell yourself is, I don't win on willpower, I win by design. Make the right thing easy and the wrong thing hard, and let the machine carry what your discipline can't. Patterson's employees didn't get more honest. They just got watched. What in your life is currently unmeasured? Because the thing you don't watch is the thing that will steal you blind. Tell me a story of a cash register you built for yourself to fromchadsmith@gmail.com. Send someone a text today and tell them, make the wrong thing hard. Get a free copy of my book, The Most Powerful Story in the World, by going to fromchad.gumroad.com. The transcript of this message and hundreds of others are always available at www.fromchad.com.